would be nice to know where I'm going.
Okay.
They're pretty amazing co-drivers.
Let's make an example now.
Yeah.
So don't write. This is like a 50.
Yeah.
We'll say this is a 4 left minus. Okay, so 4 right. 4. No, I'm just kidding.
I was ready though. I had my pencil.
Short 5 right minus, and short left and short right. Or you can say extra long. Tightens 4 over finish. All right, how was it?
And then you start throwing in complications of, oh, let's just make that a minus and a half long. And could be interesting.
So we've done our recce run with Andreas. We've got our pace notes. The hardest thing for me is I don't have my kind of own special wording. So I've written all the words out in long form. So I'm going to now tidy them up. So what I've got here is what Andreas has called out to me on our little reconnaissance run. So 6 left. The 6 is the degree of the corner. The left obviously is the direction. Half long, and it means you go from one corner to the other. So it's right 4 and 4 left. 100 on here is a distance between the 2 corners, or in this case it was 100 twist. So it was kind of straight, but there were some twisty bits in it. So 100 straight, but with some twists in it.
Yeah, I'm interested to see how his co-driver skills are. He told me he was a co-driver for his brother a long time ago. So let's see if he remembers some of those skills. No, we went very basic English system where 1 to 6 of the angle. 6 is the fastest. I put in a short and half long and long. I put in 1 over crest, but I tried to make it very easy, not too complicated. So if I would do it only for me in there, I would probably have the double, 3 times the amount of information. So we went very basic.
Here we are, Andreas. I have our pace notes that we made earlier. I've tidied them up.
Looks nice.
It looks nice.
It looks professional.
It looks professional. That's maybe as good as it's going to get. Let's see.
Let's go!
Let's go, let's go.
Some acceleration, huh?
This is the 4 right here. Then it's 4 left, long, 100 twist, short, 5 right minus, and 5 left minus, 20 crest, 23 right, 30, 4 left minus, and short,
Almost done there.
5 left minus. So this is 60 twist, then it's 4 right plus, 5 left here, then 50, 5 right minus, okay, and then it's 5 right, and 50, short, 5 right plus, and short 5 right, 50, twists, it narrows, and 5 right minus, half long, 4 left here.
Like this?
Yep. Into 4 right,
Wow.
30 crest, 30 short, 4 left, and 5 right, so this is the 4 left, times the 4, over finish.
All right. We made it. It's very nice to know which corner I already was in, you know?
Yeah, I know. I was giving you a guided tour of where you'd been.
Yeah, exactly. It would be nice to know where I'm going.
Okay.
My co-driving duty is done. I would say it was 50-50 whether I was on time or not on time. Literally, once we got up to speed, you are kind of spitting them out. The conditions helped me a lot. Fair play to the co-drivers out there. Brilliant, great opportunity. If it was bone-dry tarmac, I wouldn't have had a chance. Sometimes I was a bit early, and then sometimes I was a bit late, and Andreas was saying, wait, now. It's not simple. I think if you're at full speed on tarmac or gravel, you are feeling it through the seat of your pants, quite literally. He did say at the end of the first pass, this time on the return, can I tell him where he's going, not where he's been? Actually try and do it and not just get the pleasure of a passenger ride. Yeah, they're pretty amazing co-drivers, they are.